everyone, welcome back to our session. I hope you all are having a great day. Let's play a game. Are you ready? Circular, tall, spacious, high. Here, we can see a picture of a room and some words. Which one of these words best describe this room? If you guess spacious, you are correct. Now, let's move on to the next one. Yellow, wooden, spherical, tute. Great! Wooden suits it the best. So, we all know that the words room and cupboard are nouns. The words spacious and wooden are describing the quality of these nouns. All such describing words are called adjectives. They describe the quality of a person, animal, place, or thing. Let's see some examples of adjectives. A tall giraffe was walking in the savannah. I have read 5 books so far this year. You can see flamingos near the water. They are pink and beautiful. They were sitting across the table. The table was round and wooden. Isn't it interesting? We now know that the words that describe the quality, shape, size, number, and even color of a person, animal, place, or thing are called adjectives. Hope you got what adjectives are. But that's not all. Let's dive deep into this topic and learn different types of adjectives.
Oh, hi there! Thank you for watching this video till the end. We'll talk about the types of adjectives in the next video very soon. So stay tuned for that. And until then, keep learning and keep growing with Letstute.